Today learn some more formula on this substitution method and some techniques also in the integrations. So you see here the formula here. The first one is, if you find without substitution you can do here. If you find f dash x by fx, that means its derivative is here without power, so that is log of the function plus c. If you find f dash x by fx to the power n, look at the difference here. This is without power, this is with power. Then this is fx to the power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1 n plus c. So when without power it is log, when it is with power, provided its derivative should be here. So we can use this formula. Third one is f dash x is there, fx to the power n. This is a different pattern, look at here. Then that will be fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. These three formulae are very important for us, because when we go for a long questions in the integration, so this will help us to reduce the steps. So what I will do is, I will take some questions on this, then we will discuss. Okay, suppose I get a question. Integrate 2x by 1 plus x square dx. So what I did yesterday, we are taking 1 plus x square as t because its derivative was here. Then it was taking 3 or 4 steps on that. Now we can do it in the one step. Like we can check here, f dash x by fx dx is log fx. Okay, because its derivative is here, you can check that its derivative is here. So you can write this is log of fx. Fx means denominator. Okay, now let me develop this question. Suppose I get it is x plus 1 by 1 plus x square. So what to do? This is different because its derivative is how much? Only 2x. But here we are getting x and plus 1. So how I am going to use this type of formula here? Now I will check here 1 plus x square derivative is how much? So by inspection you can see this is 2x. That means 1 is not required. So let me separate here. So it will be x by 1 plus x square dx plus 1 by 1 plus x square dx. So in this what I will do is, now again I will check what is the derivative of this. Is 2x. That means only I need 2 here. So how to get 2? I can write half of 2x by 1 plus x square, because constant you can multiply, constant you can divide. So now it became fx, this is f dash x. What about this part? This is a direct formula of tan inverse x. Okay, so altogether what did you get? It is half of, this is log of denominator plus tan inverse x. So in this method you are saving so many steps in this. So let's practice more and more question on this. So if I take one more question, 2x plus 1 by x square plus x plus 2 root of. Every time you check the derivative. X square derivative 2x, x का derivative 1. That means exactly if this one, what you are doing earlier, you are taking this one as t, then dt by dx, find dx. So it was a very long method. Now you find which formula? Now this is your f dash x by fx to the power n. F dash x by fx to the power n. What is n here? Now how? This becomes what? Now fx to the power minus n plus 1 by minus n plus 1. So now what I do here is, if I use this, then I will get x square plus x plus 2 minus n plus 1 minus half plus 1 minus half plus 1 plus c. Okay, so if you simplify, 1 minus half is half, that means it is root number of x square plus x plus 2. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 reciprocal will be 2, then a constant. See how many steps are reduced. Similarly, we take another one. Two x plus 3 root number of x square plus 3x plus 5. Check the derivative. X square derivative is 2x, 3x का derivative 3. That means 5 का तो 0. So this derivative is present here. So which formula? Now this is f dash x fx to the power n. F dash x, this is f dash x, this is fx, power is n, n means half. So what is the formula of this? Fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this will be whose? This is fx. So that will be x square plus 3x plus 5 power half plus 1 by half plus 1. Now see how many steps you have reduced here. Almost 4 steps you have reduced. So for higher integration we will be following this technique. So this is simplified. How much you will get now? It comes to, this is 3 by 2 will be 2 by 3. Then x square plus 3x plus 5 power is 3 by 2. The beginning I told you. So in the next article, when you will be solving the questions, we will have all the questions based on this formula. So we will be practicing more and more, so it will be a habitual thing for us. So today we are going to study the exercise 7.3. So 7.3, what are the different formula required for that? First we will write down. So formula write down. Sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. Cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Sin cube theta 3 sin theta minus sin 3 theta by 4. Cos cube theta, this is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. So first I will discuss questions based on this, then I will go to different pattern. Okay, look at here. Suppose you get a question, sin square 2x plus 5 dx. Don't use nth formula, that will be a blunder for us. Sin square theta, cos square theta, sin cube theta cannot be integrated with nth formula, because sin cube theta when you write nth formula is not used here because derivative of base is not constant. So sine square, the base will be which one? Sine 2x plus 3. Its derivative is not constant. So we will remove the power, then only we can integrate. So how to remove the power? Which formula I gave you just now? Now compare it with your sine square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So sine square theta means I have to remove the power. 1 minus cos 2 times to this angle. So this will be 1 minus cos 2 times to angle. Theta means 2x plus 5 divided by 2 dx. Now look at power is removed. So when power is removed, you can use the formula. So 1 by 2 outside, this 1 d theta, this is cos 4x plus 10, not d theta, it is dx. So half will remain outside. 1 dx is x. Cos का integration is sine. So sine 4x plus 10. Cos का integration का sine chain rule already I have told you. 4x plus 10 का derivative you have to divide. That is how much? 4. Because 4 into 1 plus 0. This is the answer. Okay. Now see again. Suppose I got a question cos square x by 4 dx. So what I do in this? So cos square x by 4 means it is related to cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Theta is what? X by 4. So if you look at this and write, what will you get? One plus cos 2 theta. Theta means x by 4 divided by 2. Okay? 1 plus cos 2 theta. Theta means x by 4. Now what do you do? Separation. 1 by 2 remains out. 1 dx integration of cos, if you cancel 2 here, that will be x by 2 dx. Got it? Then this is half of, this is x cos का integration sine x by 2 divided by x by 2, chain rule again. इसका डेरिवेटिव यू हैव टू डिवाइड. x by 2 का डेरिवेटिव इज हाफ इंटू x का डेरिवेटिव 1. सो हाफ then plus c. So finally how much I got? Which is half of x plus 2 sine x by 2 plus c. Don't cancel here because this is angle. This is a number, it will be multiplied to this. Sometimes students do, they just cancel here. That will be wrong. So this will be multiplied here. Okay, this is one pattern. Look at another one. If you get sine cube 3x minus 5 dx, suppose. Again, sine has a power. You have to remove it. How to remove? Now this is which formula? Sine cube theta is 3 sine theta minus sine 3 theta by 4. Okay? So what I will get here? Now sine cube theta. What is theta? Now this one. So that will be integration of 3 sine theta. Theta means 3x minus 5 sine 3 theta. 3 into 3x minus 5 divided by 4 dx. So 1 by 4 you will take out. If you take out 1 by 4, then you will get 3 sine integration of 3 sine 3x minus 5 dx minus integration of sine 9x minus 15 dx. Okay, 3 the constant will remain outside. Its integration. Remember what is the integration of sine? Integration of sine will be 1 by 4 3 sine का integration is minus cos 3x minus 5 divided by derivative of 3x minus 5. Every time you check the chain rule, that is 3. These 3 you can cancel, but don't cancel here. Okay, minus sine का integration minus, it will be plus cos 9x minus 15 divided by इसका derivative is 9. So 3 can cancel. 1 by 4 minus cos 3x minus 5 plus cos 9x minus 15 by 9 plus c. You did about the sine. Now you see cos. What about cos cube 2x dx? That means you should know what is the formula of cos cube theta. So since cos cube theta is 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. 3 cos theta plus cos 3 theta by 4. So that will be same as integration 3 cos theta. Theta means 2x plus cos 3 theta. Theta means again 2x divided by 4 dx. So I can keep this 1 by 4 outside. Integration of 3 is here cos 2x dx plus integration of cos 6x dx. Okay, now what to do? What is the integration of cos? So 1 by 4 3 times sin 2x, but 2x का derivative go to divide by 2 plus cos का again sin 6x, 6 का derivative 6x का 6 plus c. So we discussed about sin square, cos square, sin cube, cos cube. But if you get a question like this, tan square 3x plus 2. So what to do? Tan square. Tan square has no integration, but I can write here tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. So that will be sec square 3x plus 2 minus 1 dx. Okay, so sec square, what is the integration of sec square theta? Tan theta. So this will be tan of 3x plus 2 divided by chain rule again 3x plus 2 का derivative, that will be 3 minus x plus a constant. 10 square is done. Okay. But if you get a question of 10 cube x, what about that? Can we integrate it? If we can integrate, then we will follow the procedure, that is integration by parts. Integration by parts, we will check whether it is integrable or not. You remember, all the integrations are not integrated. All the questions cannot be integrated. So that time we will check whether it is integrable or not. So this we will be discussing when I go to integration by parts. Now, but it can be, we can try here. This can be 10 theta, 10 times 10x, 10 square x. Here also is possible. Look at here, the formula which I gave you, you can use here. Now 10 square x, you write 10x, 10 square is x square x minus 1. Look at the technique you are getting here. So this is 10x sec square x dx. 10x sec square x dx minus 10x dx. This is possible here. The three formula which I gave you, look at here. This is your fx. This is your f dash x. This is your fx, power is 1. This is your 10x ka derivative sec square x. So why I am writing this is, give this formula f dash x fx to the power n. What formula I gave for this? It was fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Okay, that means 10x का derivative sec square है, so this will be your function whose power is 1. So n is 1 here. So this will be n plus 1 by n plus 1. So you can write x power, इसका power is 1. 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. This part is over. Because fx, f dash x. Now 10x का integration I have told you, log sec x. So conclusion is 10 square x by 2 minus log sec x plus constant. Done. Okay. Now, if I get another question, 10 4th x dx, how will you solve it? So let's break it. Let's write 10 square x, 10 square x. We can do 1 10 square x, you write in sec form. 10 square x, this is sec square x minus 1 dx. 1 I have converted. Now I will multiply it. What I will get? This will be integration. The 10 square x है, you write 10x whole square. Doesn't matter. This is sec square x minus 10 square x, you multiply with 1, 10 square x. Okay? Now, again the same thing is repeating here. Look at here. Your fx power n means fx is 10x. दिस इज tan x का डेरिवेटिव f dash x, that is what, fx to the power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this is your fx, this is your f dash x, its derivative. So is nth formula of this will be tan x power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So minus, what about tan square x again? Cannot be integrated. So this way you can write sec square x minus 4. So ultimately you are getting tan cube x by 3, sec square x is tan x, minus minus plus 1 का integration is x, then a constant. Okay, this we did tan fourth x. Now you see what is about sin fourth x. Because sin square you did, sin cube you did, what about sin fourth x? How are you going to do this question? So here, this I can write sin square x whole square. Tan has a different method, sin has a different method. So sin square x means sin square theta 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. So what will you get? 1 minus cos 2x by 2 whole square dx. So a minus b whole square. What is your a minus b whole square? A square minus 2ab plus b square. So what are we going to get in this? 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. 1 minus 2ab. 2 into 1 into cos 2x plus b square means, look at here, cos square 2x. Okay, this now we can integrate. Cos is not having power, you can integrate, but again cos has a power here. So once more you will use the formula. So you are going to use cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. That means I can write 1 by 4, 1 minus 2 cos 2 cos 2x plus 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2x divided by 2 dx. So 1 by 4, let's keep it as 1 minus 2 cos 2x plus 1 by 2 plus cos 4x by 2. I have done a separation, nothing more. 1 by 2 cos 4x by 2. Okay, because I can add these two. How much? Now 3 by 2. So 1 by 4 integration of 3 by 2 dx minus 2 integration of cos 2x dx plus half by half, this 1 by 2 integration of cos 4x dx. Okay, so what will you get here? The last line 1 by 4 3 by 2 dx, 3 by 2x 2 sin Sine 2x by 2. 2 will be cancelled. Why by 2? Because 2x are derivative, you have to divide. Similarly, half cos 4x by 4. Sorry, sin 4x by 4. So the conclusion is 1 by 4, or if you multiply 3 by 8 x, 1 by 4 sin 2x, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 16, 1 by 32 sin 4x plus a constant. Okay. Now let's take one more. What about the question cos 4x dx? How to solve it? So I can write same method, cos square x whole square dx. That will be cos 2 theta. You remember cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So 1 plus cos 2x by 2 whole square. So again a plus b whole square formula. So what will you get? Same thing I have written just now. 1 by 4 I can keep outside. 1 plus 2ab, 2 into 1 into cos 2x plus b square is cos square 2x. This I can integrate, this low power I can integrate, this cos with power cannot be integrated. So again you have to change it. Again formula, cos square theta 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. So 2 times the angle. So 2 times the angle here. So it will be 1 by 4, 1 plus 2 cos 2x, 2, 1 plus cos 2x will be 4x by 2. Now 1 by 2 I can separate here. So what shall I get? This is 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 2 dx. These two I combine. This will be 2 cos 2x. Again this 2 is also for this means half. So plus half cos 4x dx. Okay, then what will you get? 1 by 4, 3 by 2 x. Cos 2x is minus sin 2x divided by 2. 2x का derivative. Every time follow the chain rule. Don't do the mistake on that. Plus 1 by 2 minus sin 4x by 4 plus c. This is cancelled. Now you can multiply it. 3 by 8x minus 1 by 4 sin 2x, 1 by 32 sin 4x. Okay. Some questions are given in your textbook. Try to solve it. Tomorrow I will teach you a new problem.